Dolphins are friendly animals. They like to jump over the sky, and people goes, wow, wow, wow. There's a lot of dolphins, and they're so friendly. My friends, today is a very special day because it is part 2 of my puppets in my magic bag. Magical in my magic bag. Now, let us open what's inside my magic bag. Let's see. My magic bag full of magic and wonder. Mostly toys. Let's see. Wow! It's this rainbow dolphin puppet. It's very, very soft and also rainbow colored. But not rainbow because it doesn't have red and orange. And it also has some drawing. And since I have a lot of dolphin toys, I could just relate to them. It's like this. It's so soft, but not really my favorite puppet because I think it's a bit too noisy. But I can rate this at 8 out of 10 because it's cool. Dolphins are friendly animals. They like to jump over the sky, and people goes, wow, wow, wow. There's a lot of dolphins, and they're so friendly. Swoosh! And they go soaring up so high. They go back into the water saying hi. Dolphins are so cute and friendly. They are cool mammals and marine animals. Alright, let's move on. What's in my bag? Wow, it's a bunny! I love bunnies, but it's just that this one doesn't have too much color in it, but it's cool because it's tie-dye and it reflects. So, for instance, if we put this under like hot areas, this can reflect into a bunny. But this one has to reflect under a window so that the window can have a bunny reflection. So I once tried it before and it was so cool, and it's also very, very soft on both sides. Although this is the bad side, but this is the good side. It's still pretty loud on the both sides. And look, this is my best friend Skill. Skill also loves other friends, but she also likes her own kind of friends. He's a very nice bunny. Now, let us move on in my magic bag. Woo! Let's see what's inside. Wow! It's this pineapple. This one is also the same as this dolphin puppet because it has drawings on it that makes it even softer. I really love it. When I say too much really's, it means it's a 10 out of 10 because it's so cool. It also has different colors, but not all colors. Also has a link. It's also very fun to pop with because you can just pop all the colors. Let us move on to our last puppet, everyone. Let's see. Wow! It's this green dinosaur puppet. Roar! This is Barney, and Barney loves dinosaurs, mostly loves kids. And this is a green dinosaur, but Barney is blue. No wait, it's green and purple as well. It's almost related to other dinosaurs, but I like this one. There's also a lot of different colors. There's pink, there's red, there's also rainbow ones, but I think I choose this color because this is so cool. And it's easy to cop. Although it doesn't have any drawings, but I still rate this a 10 out of 10. It's cool. Behold, the dinosaur's gonna eat me. I'm gonna get killed by the dinosaur. It's really fun. And the color green reminds me of nature, and I love nature so much. And this dinosaur, although it stinks, but I still love it. And look, its tail is so long, like like a rainbow. Roar, 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 roar. Wow, it's so cool. This is not real teeth though. It's only wrinkles. Like this. Okay, everybody. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can be even more livelier and continue to entertain all of you in my worldwide friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. Bye! I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!